If you're looking for a better way to discover construction bidding opportunities, connect with general contractors, and manage your pre-construction workflow, well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Building Connected. Whether you're a subcontractor searching for a new project or a construction professional looking to streamline the bidding process, Building Connected provides a centralized platform to find opportunities, submit bids, communicate with project teams, and keep track of everything in one place. And if you're planning to sign up for Building Connected, be sure to check the link in the description below to learn more about the platform and get started. So, let's jump into Building Connected and see how it works. Building Connected is a cloud-based pre-construction platform that helps general contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers manage the bidding process more efficiently. Because it allows construction teams to discover new project opportunities, invite subcontractors to bid, distribute bid packages, track proposals, and collaborate throughout the pre-construction phases, all from a single platform. Today, Building Connected is part of the Autodesk construction ecosystem, making it a powerful companion to Autodesk Forma and other Autodesk construction cloud solutions. These integrations help streamline workflows from early project planning and design all the way through the construction. Now, if you'd like to try Building Connected for yourself, remember to use our link in the description below, and you need to click the Get Demo button. Since Building Connected is an enterprise-focused platform, you'll need to contact their support or sales team to request access. They can provide you with a personalized demonstration and in some cases a limited trial so you can evaluate the platform and determine whether it fits your company's workflow, business needs, and budget before making a purchasing decision. Once your request has been approved and you've given access, you'll be ready to explore everything about Building Connected has to offer. Once you've logged into Building Connected, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Right away, you'll notice that the interface is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, making it approachable even if you are new to pre-construction management software. On the left-hand side of the navigation, you will find the main sections of the platform, including the projects, members, companies, project templates, and subscriptions. These categories are organized in a way that makes it easy to manage your team, keep track of projects, and access your company settings. In the center of the screen is the projects page, where you can view all of your active and archive projects. Creating a new project is as simple as clicking the Create Project button, while the search bar on the right allows you to quickly locate projects as your list grows. Now, it's worth mentioning that we are currently using a limited trial demo account. Because of that, some menus, tools, and advanced features you may see in the full version of Building Connected or through Autodesk Forma might not be available during this trial. If you notice certain options are missing, that's completely normal and is simply a limitation of the demo environment rather than the platform itself. But even with the limited trial, the dashboard provides a solid first impressions. It's well organized, easy to navigate, and clearly designed for construction teams that need a centralized place to manage projects, collaborate with partners, and streamline the pre-construction process. Let's start with the member section. The member section is used to manage to people who have access to your Building Connected workspace. You see that you have the ability to add a new member. The drop-down menu adds you or lets you add a legacy members, provide their email address, the company, if that's available, and the default role. Is it going to be an administrator, collaborator, power collaborator? It's up to you, all right? Depending on your subscription and permissions, admins can invite new team members, assign two members, assign roles, and control access level right here, and ensure everyone has the appropriate permissions to collaborate on projects. While the companies contains information about the organizations you work with. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. So this is a good opportunity if you want to add a new company. Enter the company name. Select a specific trade. Is it going to be architecture, communications, data, concrete? Basically, there's a lot of trade or company type that you can choose from. Okay, so since I'm going to choose other, If you have a website, you can add it here. Select the country. That's going to be United States. I'm going to click that here and click the address. And just like that, add your first company. Of course, you have the option to view your company profile, trade specialties, and build a trusted network of companies for future projects and bid invitations. Now, having said all of that, we have the project templates, helping you save time by creating reusable project startups. Instead of configuring every new project from scratch, you can search from these sample templates: general contractor, public service owners, investment owners, or owner operator. Let's say we are going to choose the investment owners, and then from here you can simply create a new project or save to hub. It's up to you. But of course, if you have already an experience using BuildingConnected, you can create your new project from scratch, making it much faster to launch similar construction projects while maintaining consistency across our team. So you can create a template from existing project if you have, or create a blank template, which we are going to do with that right now. And then you see that we have already created a similar template with this name. So let's say we're gonna create something like this one. Let's see if that works. And there we go. We have now created another template here in BuildingConnected. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back again to the first or the homepage because I'm gonna show you the subscription. All right. I'm gonna cancel. Okay. I'm going to go to the subscription section because this is where your organization's BuildingConnected plan is managed. Right now, we are using the free trial, and of course, admin can review the current subscription, manage licenses, add or remove users. But the main highlight of BuildingConnected is going to be the project section. This is the central hub where all your construction or building opportunities are managed. This is where general contractors can create a new project, upload plans and specifications, invite subcontractors to bid, monitor bid progress, and keep track of deadlines. Let's say we are going to create a new project from scratch. You need to select the project type. Is it going to be a courthouse, military facility, museum, religious building, education facility, and a lot more? In this case, I am going to choose the education facility. And then you need to select a template. Since we have created our first template earlier, we're going to choose that. I am going to choose a different time zone, and that's going to be for US Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to put in a start date. That's going to be July 30th and ending in August 30th. Project value is around this amount. Currency USD, but of course you can choose your own local currency and click the Create Project. And you will be forwarded to the project editor where you can have more controls. Now, the bridge is BuildingConnected's communication hub that helps connect general contractors with subcontractors and project partners. It streamlines conversations, bid invitations, document sharings, and project updates in one place, making it easier for everyone to stay aligned throughout the bidding process. You see, if you want to create bridges to projects, you can do that. Type your email and add the message for the invitee. It expires after 7 days. And then below that is the activity, providing a timeline of recent actions across your account here. You can quickly see updates such as new bid projects, invitations, messages, and team activity, allowing you to stay informed without having to check each project individually. And the notifications keeps you updated on important events within BuildingConnected. You will receive alerts for new invitations, bid deadlines, messages, or document updates, and other activities, helping you ensure you never miss an important task or opportunity. And click the Create button, select the member. Let's say we're going to choose this one, and there you have it. Now, the last section is going to be the locations, letting you manage the offices, branches, or geographic areas associated with your company. If you want to add a sub-location, you can do that. Let's say this. If you wanted to add a link or remove link, you can do that as well. All right. Now, this information can be used to organize project, assign work to specific offices, and help others identify the regions to come with additional features for more detailed and expanded collaboration tools where your business operates. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to using Building Connected. It is a powerful pre-construction platform designed for general contractors, subcontractors, and construction professionals who want to simplify bid management, discover new project opportunities, and collaborate more efficiently throughout the pre-construction process. Keep in mind that if you are using the demo or trial account, some advanced features may be limited or unavailable. The full version offers additional capabilities that are designed for larger teams and more comprehensive pre-construction management. Again, if you are considering building connected for your business, we recommend requesting a demo and use our link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.